Hey, what's going on? Garrett Berry here again. Inside this video, I'm going to give you a full breakdown of the E1U Life back office, what the different features are when you actually get started, and how you can leverage my #1 affiliate program, E1U Life, to start to make instant 100% commissions up to $2,000. So there's going to be a button under this video. One is to actually create an account if you have not created an account. The other one is to log in if you want to log in now and follow me as I do this breakdown. Okay, so once inside your back office, the first main thing you may see is your dashboard. Now, this is where you're going to be able to see how many active members, how many people and referrals have actually invested under you. Okay, so that's information you can see right there. Total members, this is how many people have just created a free account and signed up under you. These people have not purchased yet, so you can kind of see that. And then your total earned. This is how much money you've earned to date, so you can get a tap on how well you're doing day to day, okay? Now, if you go down under this, there's the E1U Marketing Pro. So this is a one-time yearly payment or a monthly payment of $49 a month. If you want to do this, this is totally optional, but this gives you more resources and autoresponder to follow up with your leads through emails, different opt-in pages. But again, I do not recommend this to everyone. It's not necessary to succeed, but this is definitely something you want to do or consider if you want to take it, to the next level. But again, you don't need that. My links, okay, so if we open this up in a new tab, my links is very important. This is where you're going to get your affiliate link to start promoting. Now, I always recommend you send people to an opt-in form first and then the sales page. So E1U Life gives you 5 done-for-you opt-in pages. So if we open this up right here, okay, go to here, you can see that it's a very professional, very effective, simple capture page. It has a title. It has a box for the prospect's first name, last name, and then their email address, and then a button to submit that form. And then once they submit that, okay, they should get redirected to one of the sales pages, typically the video sales page here, which does a very good job of breaking down the benefits. And then when someone actually goes and they buy one of the levels, you will earn that instant payment, okay? So it's really, really powerful. Now, the next thing is, again, I highly recommend you take one of your opt-in forms, you save this to a notepad file, or you save this somewhere handy, and then you want to use my bonus training, my YouTube training that's actually inside the back office, which I'll share how to access in a second. And you want to send as much high-quality traffic to your link as possible so you can start to make sales. Now, another thing is if I go to My Packages, this is going to share with you what package is active, which package is not active, okay? So all these different levels actually give you different things. A lot of people don't realize, but with the Vertex Live, the one that I've highly recommended, the one that you unlock all my bonuses, okay? If you've seen my page right here, my tons of bonuses, over $4,000 worth of bonuses, including training, copy paste ads to post. You get that, okay, at the Vertex Live level. Now, the Vertex Live level also gives you custom-made options. So E1U Life will actually custom make opt-in pages for you, email templates, multi-page funnels, built for you websites. So E1U Life is not just an instant paying high-ticket affiliate program. It's not just a program that gives you tons of over-the-shoulder video training. It also gives you resources and support to create things and marketing assets to make even more money long-term, okay? Now, it says new users start here. I highly recommend you go there. It says know your way around and navigate the back office. That's kind of what I'm doing right now. It talks about the products, the compensation plan. Okay, so this is a very good training program, if you will, 30-day blueprint to go through when you join so you can really understand how this program works to get the best results. Okay, my account, if I open that, you'll see transaction history. My payment options, you can choose how you want to get paid. You can edit your profile, change password, and you can even put in a Bitcoin wallet if you want to get paid through Bitcoin. Okay, Marketing Hub, again, you can access the Marketing Pro if you decide to do that monthly or one-time yearly. Autoresponder, okay, if you want to follow up with your leads through email marketing. My Leads, okay, so that's going to share when people put their email in, you can see it there. Compensation plan and the leaderboard, okay, there's a few other things, but the leaderboard, that's going to show what affiliate marketers are on the top of the leaderboard per month. So as you start to make these daily commissions using my bonuses, using other resources, you can start to see your name at the top. Very, very cool. My referrals, or let's go back to my products rather. My products, this is where you're going to access all the video training. Okay, all the video training that you get access to. So for example, whenever you join, let's say Vertex Live, you can go into that product level and you'll see all these hours of video training, okay? So you can just click on any one of these and you'll see this is a 26-minute video, okay? You can go through and then there's tons of different things. There's workshops, reseller super system, workshop week 2, okay, week 3. So they have all this different training. And again, all the different levels here. There's website hosting that you can purchase. So this is really a one-stop shop for everything you would need to become a successful affiliate marketer. Now, my referrals and my referrals for each package, these 2 tabs right here are going to share with you your prospect's name, email address, phone number. So if you want to personally reach out to them, you want to kind of see what's bringing in sales. You know, you can also track where your sales are coming from. You can go to these tabs. I'm not going to open that up because I have people's personal information there and I don't want to, you know, just share it in this video to protect the, you know, their information. But that's basically it, okay? It's a very simple, easy to use platform. They have tons of resources and I highly recommend you get started. Ideally at the Vertex Live. If you haven't joined yet, log in. And then once you do, you can go to my packages here and you'll be able to join, okay? It should say not active or something at the Vertex Live level. You want to click that and then you can pay with a debit or credit card and you can unlock. Whatever level you join, you unlock that level and all the levels under it. So it's in your best interest to get in at the highest level. And again, you'll be able to access all my bonuses, even including a 3-day Miami vacation stay and much more. Okay, you can see all the bonuses there. So I hope you enjoyed this overview of the back office. Get started at the buttons down below, and I really look forward to seeing you on the inside.